It's me, Bree Reads! Hi, friends! It's me, Bree. It's raining! Today, let's read a story together. Today's story is about a rainy day. Friends, how's the weather where you live? Is it sunny today? Is it windy? How about cloudy? Or maybe it's rainy where you live too. How's the weather? Let's sing. Let's tap. Tap your lap like this. Ready? Go. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it windy or is it sunny? Maybe the weather where you live is something different. Is it snowy? How's the temperature where you live? Is it warm? Hot? Cool? Or cold? Friends, in different weather, we can do different activities. What do you like to do on a sunny day? Maybe eat ice cream or go swimming? Play outside? What can you do when it's windy outside? Maybe fly a kite or sail in a sailboat? How about when it's rainy? When it's raining outside, do you like to stay inside? It's a great time to read a story. Or maybe you like to play outside in the rain and splash around. Does it snow where you live? If it's snowy outside, you can build a snowman or have a snowball fight or go sledding. Today, we'll read a story about a rainy day. Sunday Rain.
Sunday Rain. Written by Rosie J. Pova. Illustrated by Amariah Rauscher. Find a link in the description to purchase your own copy of this story. It started with a whoosh from the wind and a knock from a branch weighing down on the window. Elliot put down his book and peeked outside.
Oh, the wind went whoosh. Friends, can you join me? Let's be the wind. Ready? Hands up. Can you blow like the wind? Let's start softly. A little bit windy. And now, let's make a big wind. Ready? Go. Whoa, friends. Okay, you did it. Great job. And what did the branches do when it was windy outside? The branches went knock, knock, knock. Let's try. Ready? Great! Our friend Elliot was inside. What was he doing? Something I like to do. He was reading a book. Good choice on a rainy, stormy day.
A leaf flew by, swinging down and side to side. then another, and another. Whoosh! The wind whispered again. Lightning zigzagged through the clouds. Boom! Crashed thunder.
Oh, friends! A leaf flew by, swinging down from side to side. Let's try. Let's swing from side to side. Side to side. Let the wind blow you like a leaf. That's it. The lightning zigzagged. Can you put your finger up and make a zigzag line? Zigzag, 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 zigzag. Lightning looks like a lot of zigzags. Then the thunder went boom! Thunder can be quite loud and a little scary. Let's listen. Thunder! It's a stormy day at Elliott's house. Lightning and thunder. What usually comes with it? Rain. Maybe you like the rain. If you don't, you can sing this song. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. All my friends want to play. Rain, rain, go away. One more time. Will you sing with me? Ready? Let's put our hands up like rain and sing. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. All my friends want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Great singing, friends.
Elliot hopped back on his bed and pulled his book onto his lap. The princess was still fighting the dragon, and the sea kept swallowing the royal boat as the night pushed the day down the horizon.
While it's storming outside, Elliot is getting lost in a good book. I like to do that too.
Tap, tap, pattered the raindrops on the roof. Elliot turned the page. That's when he heard laughter. Elliot walked up to the window once more and glued his nose to the glass. The storm had passed, and the kids from his street had gathered to play, skipping, springing, and splashing in oodles of puddles. Elliot stood at the window, staring. Someone looked up. Elliot stepped back.
The raindrops on Elliot's roof were going tap, tap, tap. Let's put our fingers up and tap. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tappity tap. Just like the rain on Elliot's window. But after the storm passes, what did he hear? Let's listen. What is it? Laughing! Someone outside is laughing and having a good time. After the storm passes, what can you do outside after it rains? It looks like they have special clothes on, ready to play in the water.
Elliot, his mother called out. He tucked the book under his pillow and ran downstairs. Sunday rain is the most fun, Mama said. I bet your sharkies are begging for a splash. Elliot thought for a moment. Go on, Mama nudged. Make some friends while I finish unpacking.
Oh, friends, I think Elliot is new to the neighborhood. Maybe they just moved, and his mom is helping him unpack what? Those are his rain boots. My friends, do you have rain boots? Does it rain a lot where you live, or a little? Or maybe not at all? Maybe you have a special rain coat too. When it's raining outside, you might need some boots and a raincoat and an umbrella. That's right.
Outside smelled like wet grass and flowers and the pages of a new book. Elliot looked around. He hesitated, but then...
Woohoo! They're having fun. They're splashing around in the rain puddles. Elliot's a bit shy to join, but he brought his really cool toy, a toy boat. Perfect for the water.
Roar! Elliot took a deep breath. Stomp! He jumped on one foot. My boat is filling up with water, he said to no one in particular. Row faster, someone replied. The island is near.
Roar and stomp. Elliot stomped into the puddle. He's having fun now. And look! He made some new friends. They're playing pretend in a big rowboat. Friends, will you row with me? Let's pick up a paddle. Do you have yours? And let's row. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. One more time. Let's sing it a little bit faster. Pick up your paddle. Let's go back. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
The dragon is pushing me, Elliot said. We'll fight it, someone else replied. Pull! 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 All the kids shouted as they tugged the dragon's tail.
Oh, friends, let's help Elliot and his new friends pull the dragon's tail. Are you ready? Hands up. Let's pull. Pull. Again. Pull. Again. Pull. Let's see if it helped.
We made it to the island! Elliot somersaulted in victory.
Woohoo! They made it to the island and look! Someone's flying a kite! It must still be a little bit windy. Oh, and they made a new friend too. What are they making? Yeah, they're building a sand castle. What a fun day.
Whoosh! Blew the wind, sprinkling raindrops from the branches above. Elliot caught a few on his tongue. A sun ray sparkled through a crack in the clouds, then another and another.
Whoosh! Blew the wind again. Friends, let's be the wind again and take Elliot and his friends back home. Please put your hands up and let's whoosh! start with a little blow, nice and soft. And now, bigger. Ready? Go! Great job! The sun is starting to come out. Let's sing for the sun. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. Peekaboo! These little children are asking you, please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me.
Inside, the house smelled like freshly baked bread and stew and warmth. It was time for supper.
It looks like Elliott's parents were making dinner while he was out playing. It smells good.
Up in his room, Elliot curled up with his book again. The princess befriended the dragon and saved the kingdom. Hoo, hoo, hooted an owl outside the window. Elliot hugged his book and drifted off to sleep.
Good night, Elliot. The end. Thank you for reading with me today, friends. Elliot turned a rainy day into an adventure. Books can help a lot with that. They can take you anywhere. My friends, you can purchase your own copy of this story at the link in the description box. And you can find me on Instagram. And please subscribe to my channel for more books and more fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.